Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be sharing some of the tips and ways by which you can present your designs in an efficient manner. And as we all know that presentation can help your clients or your viewers to fall in love with your design and prefer you over other designers. So the first way to present your design is to put your UI design or prototype on a gradient background or a simple solid color background. Like I have placed my prototype on a simple background. So for doing this, you should have a background and a video, of course, your prototype, let's say. So for doing this, you have to search add image to video Capwing, and let's go here, click the first link and get started. Now here click upload the background that you have made. Like I've made this gradient background, I'll place it and then click again upload, and now upload your video or the prototype which you have made. Yeah, it's uploaded, and just make it a bit small than the background. Give it a corner if you haven't given it in the prototype, like I haven't given it, and you can preview it by pressing the play button. And you can export this video by clicking here, and the standard quality of the video is 720p, which is good. And if you want a 1080p video, then you should make an account on their website, and then you will be able to upload it in 1080p quality. So you can click on export, and it will start exporting, and our file is ready and you can download it by clicking here. So I prefer making a gradient background rather than a solid color background because the solid color background looks really plain and dull, and this gradient gives me the exact look I want. If you want, you can even add random shapes to the gradient, but I don't do so because I want to focus my viewers on the UI more than the background. You can also add relevant logos and images in the background, like this was a credit card app I made a long time ago, and because this is a credit card app, I added logos like MasterCard logo, and also I've added images of credit card. So you can do so as well, but in my opinion, a gradient background is good enough. So another way by which you can present your UI design is to make a mockup, make our device mockup yourself, like I have made it here. So let's move this UI aside. So you have to make a rectangle a bit more in height and width, and then this notch and the camera circle, and just two rounded rectangles for volume and on off button. You have to make the notch rounded from the bottom only, and keep the front corner sharp, and make the camera just brighter than the notch, and then adjust your UI design accordingly. Make sure that the camera and the notch is above your UI, and if it's not, then you can right click and bring it to front. Somehow I like these type of mockups and clay mockups over high fidelity mockups, because it looks a little bit clean and your user is focused to the UI. But if you want a high fidelity mockup, then I'll suggest you a great plugin in Figma. It's Mockup Studio. Even if you are in Adobe XD, you can find a bunch of plugins like this. Yeah, so you have to select the frame and click on the plugin, and then it will show a bunch of high fidelity mockup, even PNG, and with a nice background. So they have mobile mockup, PC mockup, and tab mockup, laptop, iPad, everything. Even they have a Apple Watch mockup also. So once you are done, like let's select this and you can export it. I'll export it as a file. It takes a bit time, and then you can save it. Like you can name it UI mockup and save it. If you want a clay mockup, then I'll again suggest you a great plugin called Clay Mockup 3D. Again, select the frame and click on the plugin. And yes, it's a 3D plugin, so you can select any angle of the device. I'll give the same color I gave to this mockup. Wait. Yeah. You can set the device color and select the frame. Once you are done with adjusting the angles, you can save it as an image. It takes a bit time, and then it will upload it. It looks super awesome and clean, so you can go with this, and you can of course add a background to the image. Another good and unique way to present your UI design is to place it with a animated mockup, animated high fidelity device mockups. Like if you want animated mobile mockup, just search it, and like I'll go here. You can find a bunch of cool device mockups with animations, so you can preview it here. It will show your UI is something like this. And yes, if you this is a PSD file type, and you can download the file, and later you can edit it. You can place your UI in place of this screen with the help of Photoshop or a cool software called Photopea. Again, if you don't know how to place your UI in the PSD type format, then you can watch my video on how to do that on Photopea. It is a browser based software which is completely free and easy to use, so you don't have to download Photoshop and all. And not only mobile mockup, you can find mockup of a bunch of devices, t-shirts, cans, like drink cans, etc. on this cool website called Freepik. So you can go here and you can find a large variety of mockups. Like even if you want a book mockup, so you write here book mockup and go to the filters and select PSD. Select PSD, search again. Yeah, so even if you want a book mockup, mobile mockup, PC mockup, t-shirts, scans, etc., you can go to this website and download the PSD and download the mockup in PSD format, and later you can place your UI design in place of this. Another cool way to present your UI design is that instead of making a solid device frame as we usually do, like I have this iPhone solid frame, let me yeah, so like we usually add this solid iPhone frame, and then we design components on this frame. So instead of making these type of solid frames, you can add glass frames in your UI design. It will look a bit unique and cool. So you just have to make a gradient on which this glass pops out, and just outline your glass with a white line, and just put your components over here. Glass morphism is currently very much in trend, and it will be one of the strongest and popular trend in 2021 also. So it can be a good choice to make these type of glass frames and present your UI design over it. Let me show you another example. Like he has also made the frame of like made a frame like glass, and he has put his design over the glass card. The last way in my list is to present your UI design in an isometric format, like you can see here. I've already made a video on how you can present your design in an isometric format. You can watch that video. I'll put the link in the description. Hey, are you also a 2D designer like me and wonder that if you could make 3D designs as simply as you make 2D design? Then let me show you this really cool design tool called Spline, and this is their website. Here this is a really cool tool on which you can make 3D components, and while using this software you will feel that you are designing in Figma or XD. It's really simple, and its preview version is available for Mac. Windows users, don't be sad, the Windows version will also come soon, and then I'll make a video on this also. Hey guys, please follow my Instagram ID UXonfire. I'll put the link in the description. Here I post really cool guides and tips that you can follow. So that is it for today guys. Please click the subscribe button and like the video. It really gives me motivation, even if one of you will subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until the next one, bye.